conditioner back. It's very heavy, but I can do it. And to open. I have 83 subscriptions. And please tell about friends that I made this channel.
What happened?
The AC only blows colder. Dad is trying to fix it.
From a do-it-yourself video. I found it on the internet. I'm so damn modern, my son.
This is my mom and dad. Right now they are watching do-it-yourself videos trying to fix our air conditioner. This is hilarious.
Why?
Why? Because that guy is saying that repairing air conditioner is a piece of cake.
So?
Dad, it cannot be everybody's job. This is just not safe. Come on. Call a professional repairman. By the way, have you tried to change the batteries on the remote control?